Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Looking for the perfect cleaning companion? In this video, we are reviewing the 5 best robot vacuums of 2025. From powerful suction to smart mapping, these top picks make cleaning effortless. Stay tuned to find the ideal robot vacuum for your home and budget. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. If you are ready, let's get started. Number 5. iRobot Roomba Vacuum 2. Meet the iRobot Roomba Essential Vac 2, your new partner in effortless cleaning. With its compact design, this little powerhouse tackles hard-to-reach spaces, leaving no dust behind. Equipped with 3 suction levels and the latest floor tracking sensors, it adjusts seamlessly to different surfaces, ensuring a deep clean every time. The best part? The auto-empty dock takes care of the dirty work, so you don't have to. No more daily emptying, just set it and forget it. Efficient, quiet, and reliable, the Roomba Essential Vac 2 makes cleaning one less thing to worry about, giving you more time to focus on what matters. iRobot Roomba Essential Vac 2 Plus Auto Empty Dock. Clean floors, less effort. The iRobot Home app simplifies your life with features like Clean While I'm Away, suggested cleaning schedules, and a clean map report so you know where your Roomba Vac 2 robot cleaned, even if you are not home to see it. Number 4. Lefant M210. Are you looking for a budget-friendly, reliable, and efficient robot vacuum? The Lefant M210 might be just what you need. Designed for hard floors, pet hair, and daily cleaning, this compact device promises a lot for its price point. Strong suction. Despite its small size, the M210 offers impressive suction power, perfect for picking up pet hair, dust, and debris. Slim design. Its ultra-slim body allows it to glide effortlessly under furniture and into tight spaces where traditional vacuums struggle. Long battery life. With up to 120 minutes of runtime on a full charge, it can clean most small to medium-sized homes in a single session. Low noise. Operating at a low noise level, it won't disrupt your work or relaxation time. Smart features. The Wi-Fi app Alexa control allows you to start, stop, or schedule cleanings with ease, making it incredibly user-friendly. Self-charging. When the battery runs low, the M210 automatically returns to its charging dock. The Lefant M210 does an excellent job on hard floors, picking up fine dust and pet hair effortlessly. Its slim design is a big plus, allowing it to reach tricky spots. However, on thicker carpets, its performance may not be as strong as premium models. The app control is straightforward, and Alexa integration works seamlessly. Number 3. Shark AV753 ION. Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum, your new cleaning assistant. Equipped with a tri-brush system, this little powerhouse tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair on all surfaces, whether it's carpets, hardwood, or tile. With its advanced tri-brush system, the Shark AV753 combines side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll for efficient cleaning, even in those hard-to-reach corners. Thanks to its smart navigation system, it maneuvers effortlessly around furniture and tight spaces. Plus, it's Wi-Fi connected and works with Alexa, so you can start cleaning with just your voice. With a runtime of up to 120 minutes, it covers more ground in a single charge, making it perfect for daily cleaning routines. Smart, efficient, and easy to use, the Shark AV753 ION robot vacuum takes the hassle out of keeping your home spotless. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus, a smart, self-emptying robot vacuum and mop designed to make cleaning effortless and efficient. With its intelligent smart mapping, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus cleans your home by room. It learns and adapts to your space, letting you customize your cleaning schedule with ease. And forget about constant maintenance, this vacuum empties itself into a sealed bag, holding dirt and debris for up to 60 days. It's not just a vacuum, it's a 2-in-1 combo. Seamlessly vacuum and mop your floors, tackling both wet and dry messes effortlessly. Need a quick cleanup? Simply ask Alexa to get the job done. The personalized cleaning OS makes it even smarter over time. Smart, powerful, and convenient, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is here to take cleaning off your hands, so you can spend more time on what matters most. Number 1. Eufy 11S Maximum. Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max, your new cleaning assistant that makes life easier. At just 2.85 inches tall, this super thin robotic vacuum easily fits under furniture, tackling hidden dirt and dust. With 2000 pascals of powerful suction, the 11S Max cleans everything from hard floors to medium pile carpets with ease, all while being whisper quiet. Self-charging and smart, it knows when it's time to recharge, ensuring it's always ready to clean. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or just want spotless floors with no effort, the Eufy 11S Max has got you covered. Thanks for watching our review of the 5 best robot vacuums on Amazon for 2025. We hope this helped you find the perfect fit for your cleaning needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next video.